శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 868th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 56th చాప్టర్. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi narrating the story of Nala Damayanti to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Dharmaja, Nala Maharaju saying to Damayanti like this, O Damayanti, who will be alive on this earth by going against Devatas? You have to marry one of those Lokapalakas, and then you can attain them. You can wear beautiful garments and beautiful ornaments and enjoy all the pleasures in heaven. O Damayanti, ya imam prithivim kritsnam sankshipya grasate punaha. This bhumandalam, entire thing will be swallowed by Agni Deva. Who would not get such great Agni Deva as her husband on this earth? O Damayanti, yasya dandabhayat sarve bhutagramaha samagataha dharmameva anurudhyanti katam navarayet patim. Dharmaraju, Yamadharmaraju, because of him, by getting scared from him, all living beings are now trying to follow the righteous path. If not, Yamadharmaraju will punish them. Such great Yamadharmaraju is willing to marry you. Who on this earth would not be willing to marry such great Dharmaraju as her husband? O Damayanti, if you want to marry Varunadeva, yes, you can marry. And there is Devendra, Dharmatmanam Mahatmanam Daitya Danavamardanam Mahendram Sarvadevanam Katam Navarayet Patim. Devendra is great Dharmatma, Mahatma, and he is the master of all the Devatas. And who on this earth would not be willing to marry such great Devendra as her husband? O Damayanti, I am telling you for your good. Please listen to me. Like that, when Nala Maharaju said, Damayanti, having tears filled up in her eyes, she is responding to Nala Maharaju like this, Devebhyoham namaskritya sarvebhyaha prithivipate vrune tvameva bhartaram satyametat bravimite. O Nala Maharaja, I am now doing namaskaram to all the Devatas. Now I am telling you the truth. In Swayamvaram, in front of all the kings, I am going to wish for you. I am going to announce that Nala Maharaju is my husband. Like that, Damayanti saying to Nala Maharaju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.